Gene therapy is a groundbreaking field in modern medicine that focuses on treating or preventing diseases by modifying a person's genetic material. Imagine being able to correct faulty genes responsible for disease development. This is the promise gene therapy holds. Over the past few decades, scientists have made remarkable progress in understanding how genes work and how they can be altered to improve health outcomes. In this video, we'll explore the science behind gene therapy, its applications, and the challenges researchers face. Let's start by understanding the basics of what gene therapy actually means and why it's considered a revolutionary approach in healthcare. Genes are segments of DNA that act as instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. They determine everything from eye color to susceptibility to certain diseases. When a gene is faulty or mutated, it can lead to health problems. Understanding genes as the body's blueprint helps us appreciate why correcting genetic errors can have such a profound impact. Scientists have spent years mapping the human genome, which has paved the way for targeted therapy. This foundational knowledge is essential for the development of gene therapy techniques. Gene therapy works by introducing, removing, or altering genetic material within a person's cells. The goal is to correct defective genes or provide new functions to cells. This can be done by delivering healthy copies of a gene, inactivating a malfunctioning gene, or even editing the gene directly. The process often involves using vectors such as viruses to carry the new genetic material into cells. This approach allows for precise targeting of the underlying cause of a disease, rather than just treating symptoms. Get new genetic material into cells. Scientists use vectors, most commonly modified viruses that are safe and efficient. These vectors are engineered to carry therapeutic genes without causing disease themselves. The choice of vector depends on the target tissue and the type of genetic change needed. Some vectors are better for long-term expression, while others are suited for temporary changes. The development of safe and effective vectors is a critical aspect of gene therapy research. Gene therapy can be classified into two main types: somatic and germline. Somatic gene therapy targets non-reproductive cells, meaning changes affect only the treated individual and are not passed to offspring. Germline gene therapy, on the other hand, involves altering genes in eggs, sperm, or embryos, so changes can be inherited. Currently, most research and clinical applications focus on somatic gene therapy due to ethical and safety concerns surrounding germline modification. Recent advances have introduced powerful gene editing tools like CRISPR-Cas9, which allow scientists to cut and modify DNA with unprecedented precision. These tools have revolutionized gene therapy by making it possible to target specific genes and make exact changes. CRISPR is faster, cheaper, and more accurate than previous methods, opening up new possibilities for treating genetic disorders. However, it also raises questions about safety and ethical use. Gene therapy has shown promise in treating a range of diseases, especially those caused by single gene mutations. Conditions like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and certain types of inherited blindness have been the focus of clinical trials. In some cases, gene therapy has led to significant improvements or even cures. Researchers are also exploring its use in cancer, HIV, and other complex diseases, expanding the potential impact of this technology. There have been remarkable success stories in gene therapy. For example, children with severe combined immunodeficiency (SCID), sometimes called bubble boy disease, have been successfully treated with gene therapy, allowing them to live normal lives. Similarly, some patients with inherited retinal diseases have regained vision after receiving gene therapy. These breakthroughs demonstrate the real-world potential of this science and inspire further research. Despite its promise, gene therapy faces significant challenges. Delivering genes to the right cells without triggering immune responses is complex. There's also the risk of unintended genetic changes, which could cause new health problems. Manufacturing and scaling up gene therapies for widespread use is another hurdle. Researchers are working hard to address these issues and make gene therapy safer and more effective for all patients. Gene therapy raises important ethical questions, especially when it comes to editing genes that can be passed to future generations. Issues like consent, access, and the potential for designer babies are hotly debated. Scientists, ethicists, and policymakers are working together to establish guidelines that ensure gene therapy is used responsibly and equitably. Public engagement and transparent communication are key to navigating these challenges. Regulatory agencies like the FDA and EMA play a crucial role in overseeing gene therapy research and approval. They ensure that new treatments are safe and effective before they reach patients. Clinical trials are carefully designed and monitored, with strict protocols to protect participants. Ongoing oversight helps maintain public trust and supports the responsible development of gene therapy. One of the most exciting areas of gene therapy is cancer treatment. Scientists are developing ways to modify immune cells so they can better recognize and attack cancer cells. CAR T-cell therapy, for example, has shown impressive results in certain blood cancers. By harnessing the power of genetics, researchers are opening new frontiers in the fight against cancer. Rare genetic diseases often lack effective treatments, but gene therapy offers new hope. By targeting the root cause, a faulty gene, scientists can develop therapies for conditions that were once considered untreatable. This personalized approach is transforming the outlook for patients with rare disorders and their families. The future of gene therapy is full of promise. As technology advances, treatments will become more precise, affordable, and widely available. Researchers are exploring new delivery methods, improved vectors, and ways to treat more complex diseases. With continued investment and collaboration, gene therapy could become a standard part of medical care. Public understanding and acceptance of gene therapy are crucial for its success. Education campaigns help dispel myths and provide accurate information about the risks and benefits. As more people learn about gene therapy, support for research and access to treatments is likely to grow. Gene therapy is a cornerstone of personalized medicine which tailors treatments to an individual's genetic makeup. By understanding a patient's unique genes, doctors can design therapies that are more effective and have fewer side effects. This approach is changing the way we think about healthcare and disease management. Children with inherited genetic disorders can benefit greatly from gene therapy. Early intervention can prevent disease progression and improve quality of life. Pediatric gene therapy requires special considerations, including long-term monitoring and ethical oversight, but the potential benefits are life-changing. Adults with genetic diseases or acquired conditions like cancer can also benefit from gene therapy. Treatments are tailored to the patient's needs and may involve one-time or repeated interventions. Ongoing research is expanding the range of adult diseases that can be treated with gene therapy. Producing gene therapies is a complex process that involves growing cells, engineering vectors, and ensuring quality control. Manufacturing must meet strict standards to ensure safety and effectiveness. Advances in biotechnology are helping to streamline production and reduce costs, making gene therapies more accessible. Immune system can sometimes recognize gene therapy vectors as foreign invaders, leading to immune responses that reduce effectiveness or cause side effects. Scientists are developing strategies to minimize these reactions, such as using less immunogenic vectors or temporary immune suppression. Balancing safety and efficacy is a key focus in ongoing research. Understanding the long-term effects of gene therapy is essential. Patients are often followed for years after treatment to monitor for potential risks such as cancer or immune complications. Long-term data helps researchers refine therapies and ensure they remain safe and effective over time. Gene therapies are often expensive due to the complexity of development and manufacturing. Ensuring that these treatments are accessible to all who need them is a major challenge. Policymakers, healthcare providers, and industry leaders are working together to find solutions, such as insurance coverage and innovative payment models. Gene therapy has the potential to improve health outcomes worldwide. International collaborations are helping to share knowledge, resources, and best practices. As more countries invest in gene therapy research, the benefits will reach a broader population, reducing the global burden of genetic diseases. The introduction of gene therapy is reshaping society's approach to health and disease. It challenges traditional ideas about what is treatable and raises new questions about identity, equity, and the definition of normalcy. Ongoing dialogue between scientists, patients, and the public is essential for navigating these changes. Gene therapy frequently makes headlines as new breakthroughs are announced. Media coverage helps raise awareness but can also create hype or misunderstanding. It's important to rely on credible sources and scientific evidence when learning about new developments in gene therapy. Hearing from patients who have undergone gene therapy provides valuable insight into its real-world impact. Their experiences highlight both the hope and the challenges of these treatments. Personal stories help humanize the science and inspire continued progress. Gene therapy research is highly collaborative, involving scientists, clinicians, industry partners, and patient advocates. Working together accelerates progress and ensures that therapies are developed with patient needs in mind. Collaboration is key to overcoming scientific and logistical challenges. As gene therapy becomes more common, education and training for healthcare professionals are essential. Doctors, nurses, and pharmacists need to understand the science, risks, and benefits to provide the best care. Universities and medical schools are updating curricula to include gene therapy. Science of gene therapy is advancing rapidly, with new discoveries and innovations emerging every year. As researchers continue to push the boundaries, the potential to cure or prevent more diseases grows. The journey is ongoing and the future holds exciting possibilities for patients and healthcare providers alike. Gene therapy represents a new era in medicine, offering hope to millions of people affected by genetic diseases. While challenges remain, the progress made so far is inspiring. With continued research, collaboration, and responsible use, gene therapy has the potential to transform healthcare and improve lives around the world.